6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's a lot. It's 116. 116. So I don't know what you'd think you'd do on all 116 of them. She'll be all right. Morning. How are you?
I'm good. I hope you are.
Oh yeah.
Very good.
Doing
And hopefully
good.
your leg is good.
Yeah, she'll survive.
I mean, I can't get any sympathy from him.
Oh no.
It's true.
You have a GoPro on?
I did. Yeah. What's that? Yeah.
You GoPro your yard sales. That's
I
like legit
did.
yard sailing.
Yeah, it's hardcore yard sailing.
The GoPro. Oh, what is this thing?
Oh. Is Lego Dimensions a holder? Or is it for sale?
It's for sale.
Okay. Is there there's stuff in it?
Yeah, it's brand new.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take that. That's cool.
What is it, Mark?
Lego game. It's a video game.
What the heck is selling up for? $10.
That's good. Yeah.
You need a gaming chair.
We have
Like
the.
Dimensions.
We just got them office chairs for the in front of the console.
This.
Yeah.
It's really fun.
I'm being
Thank you
sold
very
pretty hard here.
much.
What is that? That's Dr. Pepper Black. Is that what that is?
Oh, it's
Oh, interesting.
Zero. Yeah, it's
I didn't know they made a zero version
it
of
doesn't
that.
taste any different from any of them, to be honest with you.
But I like the diet. I've never tried that one though.
Hannah got her that, and Emma was like, really?
Have you guys had a lot of people come?
We have, yeah. Have y'all been out yard sailing all morning?
Yeah, we started down in Angier. So we were
okay.
kind of working our way up towards Clayton.
Nice.
So yeah, it's going pretty good.
Good. I was gonna say I'm gonna take my jacket off.
It's warm, yeah. You were only old once. Ma, here you go. Harry Potter broom? Something like that?
It is for Quidditch.
You should. I know she's thinking of the one.
It's kind of cool.
Would you take 5 for the gaming chair?
What?
take 5.
Why does she need a gaming chair?
I think so. I don't know that he's ever used it, to be honest with you. It was a Christmas present, and then I don't think he ever used it. But I would assume it would.
For the one,
Oh,
the broom.
Perfect. Thank
Yeah.
you.
David, come here. You're an engineer.
I'm not an engineer.
Your dad is, but you're not.
Oh, well, see, there you go.
You could tell me if you think
You
it's
just gotta own it.
Wasted potential. I could have been an engineer.
Yeah, he
See, I would have never known that. You should have just been like, yeah, I'm an engineer.
Yeah,
I
totally.
would have known.
It's even got co-control.
Well, if you want a gaming chair, go for it.
Yeah, but can you get it going?
Let me see the plug.
Speakers.
I mean, it needs a power cord. It's a 9-volt, 1 amp. I mean, you could probably order it.
Oh, I didn't know that.
If you wanted
a
to.
lot of money, huh?
No, I mean, I'm sure the power cord's like $5.
Did it ever have a power cord? I don't know.
Okay, should I get it?
If you want it, Mom, you can get it.
Okay.
$5
It's for your son.
$5.
$5, say. It's yours.
Mackenzie small backpack.
I can, if you want it, I can help you get it to your car.
Oh, you could.
I can carry it if she wants it.
Can do it.
If she wants it, I can carry it. But I'm just saying I don't want to buy it.
Are you interested in that? I know she's giving you a deal on that too.
Well,
Except it has abbreviations.
it's a funny thing though, because this abbreviation is actually my daughter's initials.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, well then
Yes.
you need to have
You
that.
need that.
It really is because
Hey, I looked at it.
yeah,
That'll sell because
Callie
Yeah.
Grace.
Oh, my goodness.
You need
That's,
that.
yeah,
Yeah.
me too. I didn't see that. I did see
I'll
the
do it.
initials, and I didn't.
Would you do like a couple bucks, $3?
I'll take 3.
Yeah.
Wow,
Okay.
that is really.
It's kind of weird. She doesn't need a backpack. That's why it's like,
But it's Pottery Barn.
and
She
it's
needs
her
a
name.
Pottery Barn one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, she'll be excited.
Oh my gosh.
That is strange. I didn't see. I was.
Oh, see, they actually, they messed it up in my favor.
They did, yeah.
Well, that's. I used to live near. You got to come back.
You
and
did
get
buy that?
Yeah, I
Okay.
did.
Here, I got this.
No, it's fine. I can do it.
heavy. You can't.
Here, Mom, you
Oh,
carry.
it's good
You carry
exercise.
this.
I'm
I've already
carry
walked like
this.
16
I
minutes
can
on
do
my
it. I can.
It's to get all.
I get it. I
Oh,
get
look
it.
at you.
I hope that you play with your grandchildren.
Good morning. How are you? Yeah, it's an early one.
How much are your games?
They're anywhere from 3 to 5. Most of them are brand new.
These are
Why
interesting.
my kids can't. We actually have a whole bunch more that they don't play with you.
The Brady Bunch and
It's- yeah.
I like that one.
Like new.
The Candyland for 5.
Oh, that's candy.
Yeah.
Dave,
What?
you like those games for your kids?
How much is Oregon Trail? Elijah likes that game.
$3.
$3 for these chairs. And then $8 for that and $5 for this one.
Let me
It's
see.
Brady Bunch.
That's, yes, I know you love the Brady Bunch.
Yeah.
How much is the Brady Bunch?
$5.
$5?
Yeah.
I've checked all of them. If they have something
is this,
missing,
Pumbaa
it's no
Cats?
thing.
Yeah.
Okay. You said you've checked them all. How much is Monopoly?
Yep, I've checked them all.
How much is this one?
$3.
Sorry, but
What did you do?
part of my mess. I like that. Do you want to
I
get
can't remember if he has the Oregon Trail. I honestly can't remember. So, we do 10 for these 3?
Yeah, that's fine.
You don't want that one?
I don't
Candyland?
no,
No.
I've got like 6 copies of
Okay.
Candyland.
I know, I still
Yeah.
have one in the house.
$10.
Thank you.
How's it going? You lured me in with the tiny little. You lured me in with the tiny little setup. How much are your? How much are your gloves?
Those are my good Holly gloves.
They're nice.
What do you want to give me?
What do I want to give you? $5?
No, 10.
10?
Those things are like $100.
Are they?
Those are Harley gloves, man.
They're nice. They're in
go to
good
Harley
condition
Davidson and
too.
buy them. Those are Harley gauntlets, man.
All right, I'll give you 10
I
bucks
just
for
don't
them.
ride anymore.
Yeah, I'll give you 10 bucks for them. Oh, she's asking about your. Here you go, sir.
All right, bud.
Thank
Those
you.
are ladies over there. These are the same thing, but women's.
They're the ladies. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I think she want these ones.
The whole bed with the frame.
Let's go.
150. That's an $800 bed frame. This here. $800, I think.
Morning.
about
What is this?
55 days?
$55
Yeah, for the
or
gloves.
$5? Oh, gotcha.
I don't think this is what pen? Yeah, one of those things. I remember your kids used to love those.
I still have them.
They haven't outgrown them yet.
No, I still got them.
They're only 23 now. They're not that old. Aw. Oh, those are yours. I'm sorry.
I'll take both your Danskos. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What are you buying?
These shoes. In pretty good shape. Hello. Hi, Mom.
All right, let me call you right back.
How's it going? Ooh, $5 each.
Yeah, I was looking at the gun.
Those are cool. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
You like video games?
Yeah. Yeah, I do like video games.
I don't know what
He took,
Oh, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. I don't care.
yeah, this one, it doesn't have anything in it.
How much are the blue molds? Did you ask?
I already bought them.
Oh, how much were they?
Yeah, I paid $5
Those are
for
cool.
the set.
I like the
and-
Santa.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got $5 for that too.
Yeah, that BB gun, it don't shoot, but
Yep.
It's got
Oh, it
guns.
does, huh? Why not?
uh,
Alright, what do we got here?
I tried it out the other day and it don't shoot, but you know, somebody could use it for
Should I get it or
a
no?
toy or something.
What's that?
Doesn't shoot.
I don't know. If you want it. I don't really want it.
Okay, I won't get it.
When you pump it, there's no compression. Yeah.
It's pretty old.
Scrabble, PlayStation.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Siphon tool.
kids can play with it, but the guy that was here, he said he used to work for Epic
Yeah, I'm gonna
Games
put
for
the
10 years.
lawnmower on.
Oh, really?
Yeah, make sure you open it and make sure the kids is in there. My brother passed away and,
Oh, okay.
we had to gather stuff pretty quickly.
Yeah. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry for your
Or
loss.
light. Lost a night.
It's always hard, you know?
We were expecting it.
Yeah.
Can't park down there.
Next one,
Careful
I'll
with
get
it.
the bagels and bring it back.
You didn't never do that?
No, we haven't.
Oh, this
done
was pre-bagel.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
pretty big.
Ear
We're
effect.
not there. We
Look
went
at
out to
that.
get bagels.
He had quite a collection, huh? What, Tina?
Oh, you did.
A jack.
Yeah. No, we're just at a tag sale. So, yeah. Oh,
With manual.
all right, yeah. Well, you want me to go
He
with
took
you?
the X-Files one.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a good one?
He took
They're
the-
all good. All games are good.
Oh, I didn't know if you like he collected.
I used to like the show a lot.
Oh, what was
X-Files
it?
show.
It was the X-Files
That was a good show, right?
And
Scully and Mulder?
that's two like Japanese ones.
Yeah. Well, so did you already ask how much for all?
No, because I didn't.
How much for all the game stuff? Like-
$4 a piece.
Would you do a bulk buy though? Like if I just wanted to buy everything?
I'm not sure. I didn't even count to see how many they are.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, you want to stay with
1,
him?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
What'd you
It's
get?
a lot. It's 116.
116?
116. So I don't know what you'd think you'd do on all 116 of them.
What would you pay? I knew it's 116 at $2 a piece. Does that sound reasonable or too much? That's
Yeah.
really a lot.
Yes.
$232.
Yeah. Would you, any chance you'd do 200?
Yes. So-
Okay.
so-
You okay with that? 200? Just buy them all?
She's the boss.
Okay. I just want to make sure everyone's
These
okay.
payment- These books here, if you like. to go
I'm a subscriber, so I have those.
got those?
Yeah.
Okay.
So don't need Game Informer.
Okay, let me get a box.
Okay, thank you. 20, 40.
See, here's some boxes. Did you want these? No, do you want this? This didn't have a game.
Yeah, I'll take the case because I can use it for some other games that don't have cases.
Okay.
20,
Do
40,
you want them
60.
stacked like this?
Yeah, that's fine. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, and I can help you. Can I use this box too? Okay.
And the one that's
Some up in there. Okay, well actually I think that's fine. I should look at the rest of your sale real quick
Right, right.
and see what else you got. I put the money on the table. You got it? Okay. That's a little much. This is what is this? Wow. That's cool. This is 5?
Yes.
I'm gonna get that too. That's pretty cool. There we go.
Yeah, she likes llamas too. She's got a llama Christmas shirt.
Really? Yeah. Yeah, you gotta love llamas.
You can back your band up if you want to.
Okay, yeah, I might do that. Let me just take a peek at your DVDs.
Okay, yeah, sure.
And DVDs.
What's that?
Those DVDs.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Gilligan's Island. There's a classic.
And that's negotiable. I think I got, what, $3 on there?
Yeah. I didn't even see this piece.
Oh yeah, this is one. Everything over here $1.
Okay. Yeah, I was driving back by. I was like, I didn't even see all that stuff. Ooh, belt buckles. That's cool.
Need to sign anywhere.
Mechanic. Okay, bar. This little basket's kind of cool. Daiwa. Alright, I found 5 things.
Okay.
So hopefully 5 more singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, appreciate it.
Thank you. Hey everyone, thanks so much for coming with me to those yard sales. Definitely an awesome score of video games at the end there. This was a Friday morning at like 7:15. My mom and wife called me and said, hey, you need to come by here before work. There's a bunch of video games. And so my mom, when I got there, had already bought the blow molds, which are gonna probably sell for like 150 bucks total for all of them, as Santa and then a manger nativity scene. And then I bought all the video games she had for $200. It was a big price to pay, but I really thought the value was there, and it turns out I was right. It was a good buy. We've listed 75 of the games so far, and we're at $715 in listings from them. So with around 40 to go, I expect it to be over $1,000 worth of games when all is said and done, and some are pretty valuable. So, and we haven't listed all the most valuable ones yet. Should be over $1,000 from my 200, so a really nice score. A bunch of other cool stuff at those sales too. Let me know what your favorite find of the day was in the comments below. Also, make sure you check out this video next where someone breaks something at a yard sale and it's pretty funny. Oh, and also I find some really profitable items.